So hey guys, we are looking for a place to eat right now in Katy. Currently we are going through Hurricane Beryl. Most of Houston is closed off. So I'm just driving around looking for a place to eat. Pick up some food. We'll see. Vape shop's open on Hurricane Beryl. Wow, that's crazy. Try to get another pod for my minority. Yeah, that's a nice vape shop. Look at everything. I've not smoked hookah in years, though. Check out that tree, y'all. How far the creek is. If y'all need something to eat in this hurricane, you know Chinatown's gonna be open here in Katy. This place is packed. They're serving everything. Pho, noodles, stir fry. H-Mart, grocery store. So last time we were here, I have a short on my channel I did of this Chinese restaurant. It was okay. Let's see what else they got around here. This might be meant to be. Parking lot just for me. If you're from Houston, and if you're ever eating at Tan, this is one of my favorite things to eat over there, right there. The Bamba Chin. We're definitely gonna try that. Ooh, this place is packed.
Must be really good. They got it on the menu.
They got their own chili oil too. We're just waiting for our food over here. Over here in H-Mart, food court over here. Obviously, it's closed today for the hurricane. It's normally packed though. I haven't eaten here. We should try this place out. A real quick glimpse into the H-Mart. This is how it looks. I just want to hear the restaurant. Lovely. Check out how fast that current is, y'all. Wow. So we found a place to eat right here. We're gonna do a little food vlog. Alright, it's super windy right now, but y'all check this out though. Wow. I have not eaten this in years. Rice cake. Vietnamese style. So we're gonna attempt to eat this in this super wind. That's straight 110. 100 out of 10 right there. 100 out of 10. Got the eggs, the rice cake, fried rice cake, got the garlic, onion, green onions. Oh yeah. Real delicious. It's a must try. Quality's top notch. Super delicious. And this sauce is like a soy sauce, sour sauce. Still difficult eating outside, so check this out. This is the Saigon beef noodle. I'm gonna try this out with their house chili sauce, chili oil, and green chilies. Let's try this out, y'all. Looks super good. Let's get some of that beef. Put it in there. Look at that. Mmm. The chili oil hits. Mmm. Saigon noodles seasoned well. Beef is not as tender, but it is flavorful. So I have to give the beef a good 9.0. Noodles, a good 10. But that chili oil is 100 out of 10 right there. Mmm. Mmm. Chili oil and the green chili just brought the beef to a 10 out of 10. Straight up. You need the chili oil. Mmm. That's high quality noodles right there. High quality. Solid 10 out of 10 on a stir fry side Singapore noodles. So whatever main entree you order, don't forget, get the chili oil on the side and the green chilies. It's a must. Even the beef in the bombachine sauce is good too. Oh yeah.